In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish a Lovable AI website. So go to your website on Lovable AI. So log into your account, just open up your site. So for example, we've got this site here, okay? And then if you're ready to publish it, what you have to do is on your top right here, you'll see there's a publish option there. So click on the publish option and then you will get to this screen here. So here, what you can do, you can see a preview of your, so just before you publish it, you can see a preview of your website. So if you click on this link here, you will see a preview, so you can see that. And then once that's done, so here it's here is your published site name here and everything, and you have this option to review the site security as well. So you can click on it if you want to review the security. And once that's done, so, and you are like all good to publish it, all you have to do is hit on this publish option here to publish the site. So once you do that, your site will go live. And that's basically pretty much it is. It's a very simple and straightforward process.